gorgeous friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I hope you all are doing great. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you newly launched Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls Plus review and demo. Friends, I am so much excited about this new launch from Stay Quirky, and as you all must be knowing, Stay Quirky is a really very affordable brand and an exclusive brand of purplle.com. Each of their product is available on only purplle.com. Friends, before proceeding, if you want to enjoy more such type of videos and you want to see newly launched product reviews, makeup tutorials, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification icon. Please give it a like and share if you find this particular review video really helpful. Friends, if you want to know whether these blushes are really worth buying and whether you should take them or not, then please continue watching.
So friends, you can see the packaging of these blushes. They come in a really very cute, beautiful packaging, cardboard packaging like this. And Stay Quirky products really come in very good packaging. That's what I like. So you can see here it's written Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls Blush. And this is in the shade Apricot Babe 2. Friends, as you can see on the back side, the ingredients are mentioned. There is no paraben mentioned anywhere. So there is no paraben in this product. And down here you can see the net weight is mentioned. We are getting 5.5 grams of product in this, and the MRP of this blush is rupees 270 only, which is really affordable, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this blush. Friends, this is the packaging. They come in a really very cute small transparent plastic packaging like this, and the packaging is not bad. It is not flimsy, it is good. I liked it, and it is made of plastic, and the plastic is not cheap or it is not very flimsy. It is good. And also it closes really well. I will show you right now. Friends, you can see it closes with a tick sound. So that's why this is really travel friendly. If you're carrying this product with you and traveling somewhere, it will not at all open or get damaged in your bag. On the back also some details are mentioned. The same details that we are getting on the outer cardboard packaging, everything is mentioned over here, including the expiry. Getting a plastic sheet like this, and to protect the blush from getting damaged, so that is a good thing. This is the shade Apricot Babe 2. This is a really very pretty muted light brown sort of blush shade. And friends, this is a blush cum bronzer. It can be used as a bronzer as well. And friends, this shade has a little bit of sheen. There are not much chunky glitters as you can see, but there are very fine particles, shimmer particles in this, which are not at all very visible on cheeks after application. And this particular shade will only look good on fair to medium skin tones only. On dusky to deeper skin tones, I don't think that this particular shade is going to be visible. It is a very light shade. So now I'll be showing you the pigmentation. So you can see, friends, I'm recording this video in daytime so that you can see the proper color pigmentation and the shade, how it looks in natural light, and it will be more helpful to you. So I will be swatching over here and I'll be showing you. So friends, you can see this shade, it has a little bit of sheen. It has little bit of golden reflex in it, and it looks so pretty. These blushes are little bit powdery, friends. So powdery blushes really blend very well on face. So definitely this blush is going to blend like magic on face. So I'll be blending and I'll be showing you as well. You can see, friends, it is blending like magic. This is a really very pretty corally pink sort of shade, and this shade will give the perfect flush of color on cheeks. This shade will look very very gorgeous on each and every skin tones, starting from very fair to even very deeper skin tones. It will be visible on deeper skin tones as well. I'll be swatching and I'll be showing you this shade as well. When I'm touching this pan, I can feel the smoothness, the effect. It is so smooth, so like butter. So I will be swatching it over here and I'll be showing you. Friends, you can see this is the shade Coral Cheek, and it looks so pretty, such a pretty shade, friends. I just like such type of blushes so much. So definitely you can go for this shade if you are a matte blush shade lover, and you are going to like it.
So friends, now I'm going to apply these two blushes on my face. As you can see, I have not applied any blush on my cheeks. So on the left side of my face, I'm going to apply this shade. So I'm going to use my blush brush, and it is very highly pigmented, so you need to be careful. You can see it is little bit powdery as well. Ooh, friends, you can see the pigmentation. It's so pretty, friends. I just like the shade so much. Wow. I'm going to clean my brush. So now I'm going to apply this blush on my right cheek. You can see friends, it is also powdery. Let's kick off. Wow. Friends, the shimmer particles that are there in this particular blush, they are not at all visible, is what I can see. So as it is seen in the blush, it is not getting highlighted on my face. So you can see friends, it is giving such a pretty natural kind of look. Friends, I'm so happy with these blushes, and I'm very thankful that Stay Quirky has come up with such a great product for us. Moreover, this particular brand is always available on good offers and discounts on purplle.com. So definitely you can pick them up at the time of offers and discounts at a much lesser price. So friends, when I went to Purpple's website, I found that they have claimed these blushes will be lasting for around 8 hours on our face. They will definitely last on your face for around 4 to 5 hours. And after that, it might fade away a little bit and you might need to reapply. There is SPF 28 in these blushes as they have mentioned on their website. So definitely that is a good point because we are getting added sun protection in these blushes. So friends, these blushes are also available in 5 beautiful shades. So there is a very pretty soft pink kind of shade, Rose Starlet. There is also another very beautiful peachy kind of shade I have seen, and also there is a dark pink kind of shade. So they have come up with so many shades for each and every Indian skin tone, so starting from very fair to very deeper skin tones. So that is a big A from my end. And these blushes also you can use in multi-purpose ways, as eyeshadows also you can use, and this particular shade you can use as a bronzer. So friends, definitely you should try these blushes out. You will not at all regret buying. You'll enjoy applying them and you look very gorgeous. This is not at all a sponsored video friends. Genuinely I like these blushes, that's why I'm telling you in this video. You should definitely try them out. So friends, I hope you like this video and this video is really helpful, and now you can decide whether you should take these blushes or not. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.